RX 800 multi-gun manual and automatic blast system. Blast cabinets come in many sizes with a variety of capabilities. Although it may seem like you are only buying a steel box with a blast abrasion gun, the truth is you are buying a solution to a rather complex physics problem. The question when buying a blast cabinet is, how much work will you get done? Remember, when buying a blast cabinet, there are supporting costs to consider, like the cost of air pressure, proper electrical supply, the amount of media you go through, maintenance costs, and the space you have available. The RX 800 blast cabinet is an extremely flexible system that can be used manually for small independent tasks and automatically for high production repetitive tasks. Efficiency in the Guyson 900 abrasive gun. The Guyson 900 gun is the core to getting work done. When tested against our main competitor's gun, it threw out 10 times the amount of media. This means 10 times the work was actually being completed. Consistency of automated blasting. The abrasive blast gun's automation speed is powered by an exterior motor connected directly to a vertical track located on the back of the blast cabinet, controlling the media size for consistency. Our reclaim system keeps the proper media flowing, eliminating the dust and broken product parts. The Guyson Cyclone is built for peak efficiency, so in most cases requiring no other filtering system. Creating negative pressure for removing dust and fines. The dust collector creates constant negative pressure in the cabinet, creating a vacuum to pull used media into the reclaim system. System control and functionality. The Guyson Human Interface Digital Touchscreen is an intuitive system that allows the user to control airflow, reclaim vacuum pressure, distance the automated blast gun travels, and the speed of the media. Standout features include flexible manual and automation operation, multi-use capability on a variety of products, highly repetitive and consistent, capable of large and small volume production. This is what makes this machine so appealing to so many types of industries. When you combine all the features of our highly capable systems, you will find that we have the lowest cost per part when compared to our competitors. Over time, Guyson saves you money. Guyson, delivering value and performance beyond expectations. Find out more at Guyson.com.